Said it's time to get this off my chest. Are you listening? I realize it's a mess that we living in. When you get respect just for giving in, people only out to get they checks and they dividends. But from you, I'd expect something different. You always said that the money wouldn't change you, that you'd always keep in mind what you came through, been through. Let your life story represent you. But it's never that simple. A little buzz make the homie think he too fly. Fly is heaven, lucky 7-Eleven. He knows nothing to stop his roll except to die. But is it really worth losing life? Or do we consider it living if we do it right? I guess there's nothing else to do tonight but pray to God that he keep me from having a